All right, we're here reviewing the Anamorphic lens, 1.33 Anamorphic lens for your GoPro. It's for the 9 and above. Right now, I have a 12 that just came out. We're gonna go ahead and take it off of the lens cap here. I've got the Volta, I've also got the Media Mod, and we're gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like here using a really cool anamorphic lens from the folks at Neewer. Okay, here's what you got here in the box. You got a cool little box. It says Neewer on it, microfiber. It's hardened plastic. We're gonna go ahead here and show you. It's got a lens cap, which is cool. It's got the mount, and then you've got your blue anamorphic 1.33. Now, when you record this on the GoPro, you're gonna have to, in post, stretch it. So look that up. I'm gonna go ahead and from now on, all the footage is gonna be from the GoPro with this anamorphic lens. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take off the lens, place it with the other one. So you have the Neewer is gonna be facing up. You're gonna be pressing and going just like that with the Neewer up. You've got it horizontal like this so you can see, and then you can go ahead and place the lens cap on as you need to when you're done. Okay, we've got the Max Lens Mod enabled here, 2.0, and I've got the lens on here, and you can see that it's got the black bars above me and whatnot. This is in Hyper Smooth, Horizon Lock, as well as the Hyper View, which is the most wide. I'll probably dub it down just because if you turn it like this, you can kind of see it on the top here, crop, but let's have some fun, guys. Now with it installed, we're gonna have some fun here, but before we do, I wanna let you guys know about our channel sponsor here in just a second and how you can get yourself 15% off really cool leather products from the folks at Andar. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. The idea with this lens here is that it's going to give you a nice flare across the screen. It's not completely across the screen. Do you want to go on the America tractor?
Yeah, I'm going to order my corn dog.
Okay. All right, Z, your turn. Let's get on the America. Appreciate the armed forces keeping us safe. Look how big this is. Eleanor, hi Z's.
Hello.
So now we're headed to the next place. I actually took off the Max Lens Mod setting, so this is just the normal lens with it on. As you can see, it's also a little bit different. I'm trying to see if it'll keep it much more stable and whatnot. And then I wanted to show you the flare here. The flare without the Media Mod is to be desired. It doesn't give you a flare across the entire screen. You have to get the right angle to do it. Some of the finer cuisines here of corn bellies is the corn dog, belly dog. You guys are gonna witness me in 4K 60.
It's still really hot?
That's good. No.
Okay. I'm gonna try the honey. I love corn dogs.
Where did the boys go?
They're usually at the sports school.
They left us. Oh. Our boys are too cool for us. They left us. I wish they wouldn't leave us so much. Okay, here's the haunted house. You ready to go in here? It's super spooky, huh? Look at the dragon face. That's cool. Wow. Oh, now we can go upstairs. Let's Let's go upstairs. It's so spooky. Oh, I don't think Daddy fits on this one.
Then go under.
Oh, I have to go under?
You need to go
Mambo.
And then let's go under the slide.
Oh, I don't know if Daddy can fit in the slide. Ooh, look at the Cheshire cat.
Daddy.
Right here.
Yeah. Okay,
That's
let's
cool.
go the other way.
You want to go down
Even
here? I don't think I fit down there, Eleanor. Ooh. Ready? I'll go. Woohoo! Excuse me. How was it?
Good.
Good job.
I'm doing that now.
Okay, let's go in this housey house. Where were you?
We were like
You guys
over
are up
there.
to no good. Okay, are you leaving me then?
Goodbye.
You left us.
I didn't.
Both of you guys left us. Way to go,
But I'm
Toto.
hungry.
Oh yeah? So you think your hunger is more important than your family?
Yeah.
Alright, that's reasonable. I never get to vlog with you ever, because you always leave me. We finally have all the children. Alright, we're going to the corn maze with all the boys. The girls are going to get cookies. Let's go. This way. Get in there.
No, don't get too short.
Tono's a girl. Let's go. Hey, which way are we going? No running. Okay, let's see how we do. Let's not get lost, please. We're not running. They're already running. So I've been abandoned now. Now I'm walking around in this corn maze. They took the microphones, so I've got the microphones off. I'm just going off of the microphone here. Let's see if we can find the kids. Oh, I found this cool place. This is a lookout point. Oh, there's Nick. Oh, there's Cooper.
What?
Oh, they're way over there.
Run!
They're right over there. That's cool.
You guys are hunting us!
It's just me now. I've been abandoned as well. That was fun. We actually saw them. Which way to go? We'll go this way.
It should be clean. Watch this. We did it. Wait, we did. So, Dad, you could hear everything I said. Like, hey, no, stop.
Hopefully. All right, Ponios, well, this concludes it. Thanks so much for joining us. I had a good time. I think this lens is pretty good. Much cheaper than the Max Lens Mod, and you can just turn on Max Lens Mod here. We'll be the one to decide here, Evie. I really like the flaring. It got better over time. Check below for the link in the description for the product pricing and availability, also the sponsor of the video. You guys can get these cool wristbands here for your Apple Watch or cases, or even like wallets and handbags from the folks at Andar. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you later.